With my dog Tika, and I know you probably don't want to see this, but I'm going to show you how I give my dog a bath when she's really crazy when she takes a bath, but she's really cute at the same time. Okay, so she's wearing this little harness, and it has like these little bitty diamonds in it. It's not just stick-ons, it's actually real, because we got it at, ouch. Got it at this place that sells diamonds and stuff. So, yeah. So, and then after I give her a bath, we're probably going to find her an outfit. And yeah. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to put her in the bathtub. This is my bathtub. Okay, so she needs to get in there. Don't want to be, okay, so if you have a dog, you take her a bath, you don't want the water to be too hot or too cold. You want it to be just right. So I have to give my dog water that's just right, or else she won't want to stay in the bath, because she doesn't like anything. So Monday was her birthday, the 26th, and yeah, so got to give her a bath, but we did get her a treat, and it was so awesome. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right there, cause like I don't really. Oh, I'm trying to let y'all see this, but like I don't want her to knock my phone in the water, so I'm just gonna move it around. And she just jumped out. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. And this time, I might as well just shut the door, or else she'll just go out again. So, yeah. Okay. And maybe in one of my videos, I might do a house tour. I don't know. So, let's get to it. Okay, so, I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on for my little baby. Okay. So this is gonna be a little bit. This water's gonna be a little bit too loud. So I might just not talk until I turn the water off, so you can hear me. Cause what if you don't hear me? Okay. So we're gonna turn the water on just right in the middle. About that much. I'm trying to not turn the water on so high so you can hear me. Okay. And if you can see, which you can't, so I need a towel so I can rinse my hand off, and I can let y'all see her. Okay, so. My phone literally just almost fell in the water. Okay, so when she takes a bath, it's usually really bad because she jumps around and stuff like that, but it's fine. So I'll be right back with the shampoo. Okay, so I'm back with shampoo. I've got this strawberry shampoo, Suave. That's the kind of shampoo that I use. And yeah, so Tika, she's just gonna have a really soothing shower because I'm giving her massage, basically. I mean, she loves massages. I have this American Girl doll brush, and I used to rub it on her. That's how I used to brush her hair. She used to always sit down. That's the only time I could get her to sit down if I use that. So yeah. Okay, I'm just rubbing it in. So. And I need to get her everywhere. Dang, don't shake on me. Shake on the camera. Shake on you guys. You know all dogs need baths, or else they won't be clean. I mean, you wouldn't want your dog to have fleas. And by the way, she's new. Okay, so I think I got soap in her eyes. Ooh, calm down there. I think I got soap in her eyes. I think I got soap in her eyes. You want it out, right? Come here. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna get this soap out of her eyes. Okay, while I was out, I actually put my hair up because she was getting my hair wet. I don't like my hair wet, so I do not deal with getting my hair wet. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water on. And rinse all the shampoo off. And here's a little smoothie bath. She has a broken rib, so that's the only reason I have to be careful, because I don't want her broken rib to get even broken. I mean, she's had it for a while, but she's getting old though. She's like 5 or 6. I don't know which one she is. I think she's 5. But yeah. She's a Chihuahua. She's a teacup Chihuahua to be exact. Slushy, grocery game. Yeah. So I used to collect those, but now I lost them, so I don't really care. Dogs should use conditioner. All it does is make their skin softer. I don't really think that she wants that. So I'm not going to do that because I don't really think that she should use it. So we're going to get her out. Come on, Tika. Oh, she just... Okay. Well, that was part of me. That was bad. Okay, so, I need her to dry off so we can pick her an outfit out. And I'll be right back with her dried off, okay? Bye, guys! Okay, so I'm back, and it's kind of dark in here, but I think it's fine. Okay, so I've got this bucket full of American Girl doll clothes and Build-A-Bear clothes, but I use them on her because, like, I don't really play with my American Girl dolls or stuff like that anymore because they got boring. So yeah, well, this is all that I have. So let's get picking. Okay, so I really wanted her to wear a dress that went with this cute jacket, American Girl doll jacket. I'll show you at the end because, like, it's really dark in here. So I'll be right back and I'll have her outfit on and everything. Bye. Bye. Okay, so I'm back and I've got her in this little cute thing. Right here. Cute at the front. And it has that. So yeah. Okay, so that's my video. I hope you like it, guys. Okay. And so yeah. So comment down below if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. That's sad, but I don't think so. It's fine.